Music Video Awards 2020 has today unveiled the shortlisted nominees at Standard Media headquarters along Mombasa Road. The function was graced by Roslyn Abuto, Head of Marketing Standard Media, Aurelia Migwe and Brian Waruru from Viva Africa Consulting, and A Blessing, the CEO of Pace Africa.
The Pulse Music Video Awards, this is the 6th year running. And basically, the Pulse Music Video Awards are here to celebrate and honor our artists, the great entertainment scene that we have in the country. It's a time when we just want to just recognize the best acts of the year, videos that were made in the last 1 year. And having seen the process through the applications, we actually had over 1,000 entrants this year, a crazy number. Great videos, great works from our artists. And for us here is to say that on this day, we are about to unveil the best of the acts that we had this year.
The process was quite interesting because we had received more than 1,000 of submissions entry, and it was quite challenging from us because this time during the pandemic to make one or two, which is good things and bad things. The good thing is everyone was busy making their own content, and for real we had a very tough time to establish who deserved to be nominated and who not to be nominated.
Viva Africa Consulting LLP being the validators of this exercise, I must say we've been together from day one, the first PMVA, and it has been a good partnership, and we look forward to many more. Now, in our role as the validators of this exercise, of this PMVA Awards, what we shall be doing is essentially twofold. Number one, we are coming in from a supervisory role where we come in to ensure that the system that is there for the standard group that will be counting the votes, the system will be able to show a true account of the votes that are being cast by the public. That is one. If there are any abnormalities, we as the validators through the system should be able to confirm and ensure that and verify that the abnormalities, if any, how and when, how they shall be invalidating whatever votes that have been cast, if there are any invalid votes.
Today, finally, we are unveiling the PMVA Pulsar Music Video Awards, the 6th edition. Officially, the voting doors are open. You can vote 21,585. So we've got thousands of videos whereby we need you to vote for your favorite artist, favorite dancer, favorite rapper, whatever it is that you like to vote. Just go into PMVA, standardmedia.co.ke to actually find these videos and actually vote for them. Thank you very much. We wish the nominees the best. We hope that actually you can come out and actually we end up awarding people in the next 2 weeks. Thank you.
All right, let's cross borders now. In the COVID-19